Hello, and welcome to the de-rigging tutorial for the VTX A12. To begin the de-rigging process, lower the array so the bottom four cabinets are at a comfortable working height. If a pullback was used, continue to lower the rear suspension point until no tension remains on the rear hoist. Disconnect the rear hoist and remove the suspension bar from the bottom cabinet. At the back of the array, press the black buttons to release the red suspension locks on the bottom four cabinets. This allows the cabinet angles to collapse back into the storage position. Grab the rear handle of the vertical transport cart, lift it into position, and connect it to the rear points of the bottom cabinet. Then lift the front of the cart and connect it. Use the handle on the vertical transport cart to pull the lower section of the array backwards. While pulling backwards, land the array on the front wheels of the cart. A little nudge to the side as the wheels touch the ground will eliminate any clunk as the wheels rotate into position. Continue lowering the array until the gap between the bottom fourth and fifth cabinets has completely closed. Close the red locking latches. Then move the angle selection pins on the bottom four cabinets to the 10-degree storage position. Remove the rear pin between the bottom fourth and fifth cabinet. Then raise the array. As the array is lifted, guide the ground stack of cabinets forward as it hinges from the front connection points. Once all four wheels are on the ground, bump the flown array down to remove tension and disconnect the front pins. Lift the array, roll the stack out of the way, and continue this process with the rest of the cabinets in the array. Store the array frame and rigging accessories back in their case. Place the soft covers over each stack, then pin the vertical transport top caps to the top cabinet. The system is now ready to head to the truck. For more details on this and other configuration options for A12 systems, refer to the rigging manual and user guides for each product. Thank you for watching.